Hi, everybody. This is my new vehicle off-road car. New for me, but it is second-hand. You see some parts is damaged, corrosion, also coating damaged. You see some tears. I will repair the seats and some brake parts, engine parts, and painting should be renewed. Okay, you see, this is ATV Off Road Car. I love this car. For any roads, you can use this. Any off-road condition, outdoor condition. This is good car to drive. But ATV cars, very dangerous, friends. You must be very careful because there is no upper case. Okay, I chained my car and it is safe in my garden. Okay, painting should be repaired. Some corrosion you see. I will repair and renew and clean up this off-road vehicle. Okay, this ATV car has four wheels power. You see some wheels. Wheels condition is very good, like new, brand new. Okay, front panel seems good. Uh, Also, guys, you can find more details about ATV off-road car in video details. Hope to see you again.